Velcro disc is one kind of paper or cloth coated with different abrasive grains and present round, triangle or rectangle shape, with or without hole, mainly used for metal processing while the grinding volume is less, repairing and maintaining in painting finishes, polishing of lacquer putty, synthetic materials and fiberglass and logs, etc. We hold expertise in wholesaling, trading and supplying superior quality Velcro disc. The offered discs are good for aggressive stock removal and long life on stainless steel, high tensile alloys, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Available in various specifications, these discs are in tandem with international quality standards.